Assalamu alaikum to all the students. A very warm welcome to you all. Now, this is our English literature class and I'm your English teacher Sidra. We are now going to start our lecture number 6, which is about lesson number 3, I Start Work. We have completed 3 chapters, okay, and we are having 6 chapters in this lesson number 3. We are having 6 chapters, out of which we have completed 3 in the previous class, and now we are going to start from lesson number 4 of the same. Okay, Emily hears about Steerforth, responsible for my own life, and Murdstone and Grimby's. We have already done this. Now we will start lesson number 3, chapter number 4, which is the Micawbers. First of all, I would like to tell you the important characters of lesson number 3. Mr. Murdstone, who is the stepfather of David, Miss Murdstone, who is the elder sister of Mr. Murdstone, Emily, okay, she is a little beautiful girl whom David met at Yarmouth. James Steerforth, who was among the first good friends of David at Salem House School. Mr. Quinion was there, okay, who was the manager of Murdstone and Grimby's company, where David goes to start the job. Okay, Mr. Micawber, who rented out his room to David in the duration of his job. Okay, Mr. Micawber is the wife of Mrs. Micawber is the wife of Mr. Micawber, and at the end, Mr. Betsy Trotwood, who was the aunt, who is the aunt. She hasn't come yet as a character. ये अभी तक हमारे सामने नहीं आई हैं, but we will discuss about her at the end. Now we are going to start from page number 17. Okay, last paragraph, and the chapter number 4 is the Micawbers. At 12:30 on the first day, Mr. Quinion knocked on the window of his office and signaled to me to go in. Now David has gone to Murdstone and Grimby's to start the job. It was the first day of his job. Then at 12:30, 12:30 बजे का time of the first day of his work, Mr. Quinion knocked at the window and called him into the office. David, go inside. Inside was a rather fat, a middle-aged person in a brown coat and black trousers and shoes. Okay, his large and shining head was as hairless as an egg, and his face was very large. His clothes were old and shapeless. Now he was just describing the personality, appearance of the person. Okay, in this chapter we will going to discuss about why and how David meet with Mr. Micawber. Mrs. Micawber told about Mr. Micawber's liability, what are the secrets of renting out the room of his house, why Mr. Micawber was compelled to rent out the room. Okay, then at the end, David became alone. Why he became alone, we will discuss here. Now come to the next page, page number 18. This is Mr. Micawber. Now the appearance described by David, it was of Mr. Micawber's. Said Mr. Quinion to me. Mr. Quinion name, he introduced Mr. Micawber to David, that he is Mr. Micawber, and Mr. Murdstone knows Mr. Micawber. आपके जो स्टेप फादर है, मीन्स स्टेप फादर ऑफ डेविड, he already know him. He has written to him, and Mr. Micawber will let a room to you. Means Mr. Micawber had already talked to Mr. Murdstone. Okay, and what is the purpose to introduce him to you? Because he will rent out a room to you. Okay, means during this time of doing job, you will staying at Mr. Micawber's home. Mr. Quinion then officially gave me a job at a salary of 6 shillings, which later rose to 7 shillings a week. Means in the starting, his salary was only 6 shillings. Wo rise up hoकर, then it became 7 shillings a week. Means per week he was getting 7 shillings. At the starting he was getting 6, but after rising up his salary after the increment. He was getting 7 shillings a week. In the evening at 8 o'clock, Mr. Micawber reappeared. I washed my hands and face and we walked to our house, as I supposed I should call it together. Means at 8 o'clock he came again and we together go to the house of Mr. Micawber. The house looked as poor as its owner. Means the house was looking very poor, as just like Mr. Micawber, he was also poor, but also like its owner. It was made to look as respectable as possible. Means उसको इस तरीके से build up किया गया था that it was looking very respectable as his owner. Mr. Micawber was poor, but he was a respectable person. By appearance, he looked like very respectable but poor. Okay, okay, Ula Fatma, okay. Okay, now Mr. Micawber introduced me to Mrs. Micawber's. Means he introduced his wife to David, a thin and weak lady who was not young. She was not looking very young and she was very weak and slim. She was holding a baby in her arms. There were three other children, a boy aged about 4, a girl aged about 3, and another baby. Means they were having 4 kids. Okay, Mrs. Micawber came upstairs to show me the room. It was at the top of the house and had very little furniture in it. She sat down to rest after climbing the stairs. Okay, because after getting on the top of the house, after getting upstairs, she was feeling breathless. सांस फूलता है. Okay, so she was taking rest over there in the chair, on the chair. I never imagined before I was married that I would ever need to let room. Means she was having a strong financial background, so she was saying to David that I had never imagined that I had to do this. I had to rent out a room because of need. But Mr. Micawber is in difficulties now, and so you will understand my own feelings must come second. She said that Mr. Micawber's liabilities and his problems are my first priority to solve, and my own wishes goes to the second priority. I said, yes, Mrs. Micawber, if the people to whom Mr. Micawber owes money will not give time him to pay, then they must accept the effect of their action. Means he has got a lot of liabilities on him. He has borrowed so much money from the people, and if he will not be able to pay it on the time, he will have to be accepted. He will have to accept the effect of their action. Okay, जो भी वो कुछ करेंगे, we have to accept that. ब्लड कैन नॉट बी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम अ स्टोन. जिस तरह पत्थर से खून नहीं निकाला जा सकता, सेम एज इट इज यू कैन नॉट टेक आउट मनी फ्रॉम Mr. Micawber at the present times. Means he hasn't got anything. Okay, it's a genuine reason if he's not paying the liabilities. So it's a genuine that he hasn't got anything. That's why he is not able to pay. The only visitor to that house that I ever saw or heard of were men to whom Mr. Micawber owed money. Means nobody going to visit to us only except those people who are the lenders of Mr. Micawber. Lenders means जो उनको उधार पे पैसे देते हैं, ठीक है. उनके अलावा मिस्टर मिकॉबर के घर में कोई विजिट करने के लिए नहीं आता. They used to come at all hours and some of them were quite fierce. बहुत सारे जो लोग हैं, they are worst people and they don't understand the problems of ours. In this house and with his family, I spent my free time. I provided my own breakfast, a little milk and a cheap loaf of bread, and my own supper, another small loaf and a little cheese. Means they were very poor. He used to spend some free time with this family and he used to take his own breakfast. Now come to page number 19. The Micawbers were kind to me, but my life at that time was not happy. Okay, they were very good people and they were very kind to David, but his life was still not satisfied and he was not very happy over there. I worked from morning to night with rough men and boys and was a poor and dirty child. I spent all the money I earned on my food and still did not eat properly. Means whatever he got as a salary, he spent all of that amount on his food, but still he was unable to eat properly. वो फिर भी पेट भर के खाना नहीं खा पाता था because his salary was very meager, very low amount of salary he is getting. I wandered in the streets and I might even have become a thief. Means he was alone in the street. Wanders means इधर उधर घूमना without any objective. Okay, बिना किसी मकसद के वो इधर उधर घूमता था, टाइम पास करता था. He could be a thief also, for no one looked after me or helped me. Means कोई मेरी देखभाल करने के लिए नहीं था, तो I could be a thief. I kept my unhappiness a secret, but he hid herself. He hid his happiness with himself, and he kept his happiness as a secret, and he never tell to anybody. I did not even tell Pegoti in the letters I wrote to her. Means he used to tell everything with the letter to Miss Pegoti, but he never told her about his own problems. Okay, I considered my life to be hopeless and did not expect to be safe from my loneliness or the shame of my job. Means he was considering his life a hopeless, कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी अच्छे होने की, and he did not expect to be safe from my loneliness. Still he was unable to expect his hope, his life as a hopeful thing, and he was unable to change his loneliness into a happy cheerful life. और वो अपनी जॉब के बारे में भी बहुत शेमलेस था because he was having a very good background of his house. He was very was getting he was having a very educated and literate family background, but still he was unable to meet with that styles, meet with that standard, and now he is at a very low standard. He was doing this job. Now Mr. Makeover goes to prison. Acha, in this chapter we will be having that Mr. Mikobar owed so much money and was arrested. Means उनके ऊपर इतना ज़्यादा उधार चढ़ जाता है that he was arrested. उनको जेल में डाल दिया जाता है. He borrowed from a David also. Mrs. Mikobar, a faithful wife. She appeared as a faithful wife of Mr. Mikobar. Now, Mr. Micawber goes to prison. Mr. Micawber's problems made me even sadder. One evening, Mrs. Micawber talked to me privately. David Copperfield, I speak to you as a friend, and so I must tell you that Mr. Micawber's difficulties have increased greatly. Mrs. Micawber came to meet David and talked to him privately as a friend, and she said that Mr. Micawber's difficulties are increasing so much. She said, with the exception of a small piece of cheese, except a small piece of cheese, we haven't got anything to give you. Okay, in these types of rented house system, it happens that whoever is the tenant, जो person जो rent पे रह रहा है, he used to use the furniture of that house also, plus take breakfast and lunch and dinner also over there, because he was whatever he was paying for all the things. वो जो कुछ भी पे कर रहा है वो सब चीज़ों का पे कर रहा है. ठीक है. So obviously he is alone, तो वो आने के बाद अपना खुद खाना बना के खाने के काबिल तो रहता नहीं होगा. So वो जो अमाउंट जो रेंट पे देता है रेंट के लिए इन द अगेंस्ट ऑफ रेंटेड रूम, वो जो भी अमाउंट देता है उसमें उसका खाना पीना सब चीज़ें शामिल होता है. तो शी वॉज सेइंग टू डेविड दैट वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ चीज़ एंड वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग टू गिव यू फॉर ईटिंग. At last, Mr. Micawber owed so much money that he was arrested early one morning and taken to prisons. Means the people uh, have applied a case on Mr. Micawber, and he was now arrested to taken to the prison. The next Sunday, I went to see him. He was waiting for me inside, and we went up to his room. We cried a great deal. He advised me very seriously to take his life as a warning. Then he borrowed a shilling from me to buy some food. Means when they meet when they met in the prison, they cried a lot. David and Mr. Micawber, they cried a lot. Mr. Micawber also said that you should take a warning, an alarming condition from my life, कि मेरी लाइफ को एज एक्सपीरियंस एक इबरतनाक तजर्बे के तौर पे लेना तुम्हें चाहिए. एंड यू शुड बी वेरी अवेयर फ्रॉम दिस कंडीशन कि किसी से उधार नहीं लेना, अदरवाइज यू विल बी facing the same problem. And plus what he did, Mr. Micawber also borrowed a shilling from David to buy some food for himself. Mr. Micawber applied मिस्टर मिकोवर अप्लाइड टू बी अलाउड आउट ऑफ प्रिजन अंडर अ स्पेशल लॉ मीन्स उन्होंने एक और चीज़ के लिए भी रिक्वेस्ट की हुई थी, अप्लाई किया हुआ था कोर्ट से दैट ही विल बी he wants to get out from the prison at a special law because it's a genuine reason that he is not paying the liability. उसके पास उनके पास एक genuine reason था कि वो liability क्यों नहीं पे कर पा रहे, because he is not having the enough money to pay. उसके पास तो खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं, तो how he will give the money to the other people. So it was a genuine reason that he is not paying. Mrs. Micawber expected him to be free in about 6 weeks, means in within 6 weeks he will be free. And then said Mr. Micawber, I have no doubt I shall have enough money and live in a completely new way. If anything turns up, कि जब तक कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता, मुझे इस बात पे अभी भी डाउट है, मुझे इस बात का कोई शक नहीं है कि मेरी हालत जो है वो कभी नहीं सुधरेगी. एंड इट विल बी कुछ बहुत ही कोई अच्छा कोई काम हो जाए या कोई मुआवजा हो जाए तो इट इज़ अनदर थिंग, बट मुझे अभी भी शक है कि कोई चीज़ मेरी ऐसी है जो मुझे इन सारी प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आने की परमिशन नहीं देगी. He meant that he hoped he would have some good luck, means he was expecting कि कोई अच्छी उम्मीद शायद निकल आए और कोई उसकी good luck काम आ जाए. Otherwise he was in a very bad condition right now. Finally, to my great joy, Mr. Micawber was freed. David was very happy and joyful that Mr. Micawber, after 6 weeks, he got freed. I said to Mrs. Micawber, may I ask Mrs. Micawber what you and Mr. Micawber intend to do now that Mr. Micawber is out of difficulties? Now David is asking to Mrs. Micawber that now that what you want is happened, that जो आप चाहते थे वो तो हो गया, like Mr. Micawber is out of prison now, and what you have planned to get out of all these difficulties, आपने क्या planning कर रखी है कि अब एक आपको जो chance मिला है, how will you avail this opportunity? My family think Mr. Micawber has great ability, means Mrs. Micawber is saying that मेरी family, मेरे parents, मेरे sibling, they think that Mr. Micawber has got the great ability and they think that within a little influence he might find a good job in the government. If he goes to the government side तो वो अच्छी एक job हासिल कर सकते हैं, said Mrs. Micawber. She always said my family in a way that made them sounds like very important people, means जब वो अपनी family के बारे में बात करती तो it sounds that her family is very important for her and they are having very important people in that family. My family think Mr. Micawber should go down to Plymouth. क्या सोचते हैं कि he should go down to the Plymouth to be ready and in the right place in case anything turns up there. Maybe वहाँ जाकर कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ अच्छे की उम्मीद निकल आए. And will go to Mrs. Micawber said, और हम वहीं जाएंगे. Mrs. Micawber tried as she replied, I will never leave Mr. Micawber. Although when David asked that, will you go to over there? Then Mrs. Micawber started crying and she said that I will never leave Mr. Micawber. Although Mr. Micawber always hides some difficulties from me at first, कि उनसे शुरू में अपनी problems को छुपाते हैं, but when it disclosed, जब वो प्रॉब्लम्स उनकी डिस्क्लोज हो जाती हैं तो आई विल नेवर लीव मिस्टर मिकॉबर. नो, क्राइड मिसेस मिकॉबर, आई विल नेवर लीव, मीन्स शी रिपीटेड 2-3 times that she will not leave Mr. Micawber in these difficult time. What is a shilling? Shilling नहीं है, this is called shilling. Shilling is a you may say जैसे हमारे पास रुपया होता है, ठीक है, हमारी करेंसी का नाम है रुपया, ओके, पैसे, रुपए. तो they have the currency name is shilling. ओके, इंडिया में और पाकिस्तान में हम अपनी करेंसी का नाम रुपया लेते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे अमेरिका में डॉलर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, यूरोज होते हैं, और चाइना में येन होता है. ओके, दीज आर द करेंसी नेम, ठीक है. Subhana Noman. Okay, I'm giving you reply for your question. Okay, now come to the next chapter. The Micawbers go to Plymouth. Now what they have decided, what they have planned, they are not going to apply on that. I thought about leaving the Mr. Micawbers and being forced to live once more with new people. I realized that without the friendship of the Micawbers, my present life was lonely and hopeless. Means David is saying that after leaving Mr. Micawber, I will have to live alone with the new people again. Okay, मैं फिर से अकेला हो जाऊंगा. And without Mr. Micawber's friendship, without these friends, my present life was lonely and hopeless. अब वो सोच रहा है कि जब ये लोग चले जाएंगे तो what will I do? I knew that my situation would not change unless I planned and escaped myself. Means जब तक मैं खुद अपनी इन सारी सिचुएशन से भागने की और इनसे बाहर आने की कोशिश नहीं करता, until or unless I would not try to escape from this situation, my situation will not be changed. When the Mikobers had to leave, we all felt sad about our separation. जब भी मैं उसके बारे में सोचता हूँ, we all felt sad, and जब वो जाने का टाइम आया तो we were having tears in our eyes. I shall never, David Copperfield, remember the time when Mr. Micawber was in difficulties without thinking of you, said Mrs. Micawber. You have been a great friend. Means I shall, we will never forget you. What, in the way you stood up with us, जिस तरह तुम हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम्स में खड़े रहे हो, and you helped a lot for us. You have done a very great job for us in our difficult time. We will never forget you. I said I was very sorry that they were going. Sorry here. Sorry here does not mean कि वो माफ़ी मांग रहा है. Okay, sorry means कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. It means that we are not feeling good. Okay, David is saying that I am not feeling good that they are going. My dear young friend, said Mr. Micawber, I am a man with some experience of life. Obviously David एक लड़का है and Mr. Micawber is a man. He was a father of 3 4 children and he is married person, so he has got a great experiences of his life. अपने हर phase of life में एक नया experience judge कर चुके हैं. तो now he was telling to David that I am a man with some experiences of life. Until something turns up, which I am sure it will very soon, I can only give you some advice. ओके, जब तक कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो जाता कि जिसकी मुझे उम्मीद है कि जल्दी टर्न अप मीन्स टू हैव अ न्यू पेज ऑफ लाइफ, हैव अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ लाइफ, हैव समथिंग टोटली टर्न अप कि बुरा टाइम है तो अच्छा टाइम आ जाए. ठीक है, एंड आई होप सो दैट इट विल कम. आई कैन ओनली गिव यू सम एडवाइस बट माई एडवाइस इज वेरी वैल्यूएबल. जितना भी मुझे एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, आई एम गिविंग यू सम वैल्यूएबल एडवाइस. If I had listened to it, I would not have been in difficulties. अगर इन एडवाइस पर मैं पहले अमल कर लेता तो I would not have been seeing all this. I have not been through from these difficulties. तो मैं ये difficulties सफ़र नहीं करता. My advice is never leave until tomorrow the things you can do today. Means don't leave today's work to the tomorrow. अगर वो काम जो भी है वो आज आप कर सकते हो तो don't leave it, उसको पेंडिंग में ना डालें. My other piece of advice, Copperfield, is this: salary £20, expenses £19, result happiness. Means if you have salary £20 and your expenses are below the salary amount, ठीक है, and your expenses are £19 कि वो आपकी सैलरी के अंदर अंदर कवर हो जाते हैं, तो your result will be happiness. But if the salary is £20 and expenses are £21, means if your expenses exceeds with your salary, कि आपके एक्सपेंसेस आपकी सैलरी से बढ़ जाते हैं, इंक्रीज कर जाते हैं, एक्सीड कर जाते हैं, तो योर रिजल्ट विल बी ruin. You have to borrow the money. और फिर ये जो मेरे साथ अंजाम हुआ, जेल जाना पड़ा, whatever is the problem, और फिर आपको यही फेस करना पड़ेगा. So it is a very valuable advice for you कि अपने एक्सपेंसेस को अपनी सैलरीज के अंदर अंदर एडजस्ट करने की कोशिश की जाए. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग आई मेट द होल फैमिली एंड सॉ देम सैडली get into the back of the carriage. David Copperfield, said Mrs. Micawber, good luck. I shall never forget all you have done for us, Copperfield, said Mr. Micawber. Goodbye. I wish you wealth and happiness. If something turns up, I am rather certain it will. I shall be very happy to help you. Means David is saying that अगर कुछ अच्छा होने की कोशिश करता, अच्छा हो जाता है, sorry, Copperfield, said Mr. Micawber, goodbye. I wish, हाँ, Mr. Micawber is saying to David कि जैसे ही कुछ अच्छा होता है, आई शैल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू, तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद करने में बहुत खुशी महसूस करूँगा. वो मिस्टर मिकॉबर ऑल्सो नोज दिस थिंग दैट डेविड इज ऑल्सो इज नॉट इन अ गुड कंडीशन, एंड वो उसको छोड़कर जा रहे हैं फॉर द सेटलमेंट ऑफ देयर ओन लाइफ. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा हो जाता है, मेरे हालात बेहतर हो जाते हैं, तो आई विल डेफिनेटली कम अगेन हेयर एंड हेल्प यू. The carriage started, and I could hardly see the family because they waved so many handkerchiefs. In a minute, they had gone. I went away to begin my tiring day at Mudstone and Grimby's. Again, वो फिर अपनी job पर जाता है. Next day, however, I did not intend to work many more days there. Means he was also not having the intention to continue the job. वो David also doesn't want to spend more time in this company. वो ज़्यादा देर यहाँ पर काम करने नहीं चाहता. I had decided to run away. I had decided to go somehow to the only relative I had in the whole world. Means he was taking out. बहुत सोचने के बाद वो कहता है कि I have only relative remains here in this world. Want to go over there. I decided to go over there to meet her. I would go to my aunt, Miss Betsy Trotwood, and tell her my troubles. Peggotty had told me that Miss Trotwood owned a small cottage somewhere near Dover. Means he wants to go to Dover. Okay, and he wants to meet Miss Betsy Trotwood, and he said that I want to share all my difficulties, all my problems, all my troubles to Miss Betsy Trotwood. She is a very good lady, and she will keep me with herself, as well as she will take care of me and give me good advice for my future. कि आगे वो मेरे साथ क्या अच्छा हो सकता है वो मुझे एडवाइस करेंगी. आई वेटेड अंटिल सैटरडे नाइट एंड देन आई रैन अवे एज आई हैड प्लान. मीन्स वो सैटरडे नाइट तक उसने जॉब को कंटिन्यू करके उस दिन तक वेट किया, एंड देन संडे विच इज द वीकेंड डे ही स्टार्टेड टू रन अवे एज ही हैड ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड. Okay, so this was the lesson number 3, and we have 10 minutes more. Okay, so this was the lesson number 3. All 3 chapters of this lesson we have done. If you have any query, any problem, you may ask to me. Okay, I'm giving you 2-3 minutes, then we will be having presentation question. Okay, अपने questions जो भी आपकी queries हैं, if you want to ask, you may. Yes, if you have any question, type in the chat box, or I should start asking you the questions. ठीक है? Yes. हाँ, Asia. Yes, I remember. Actually, I wanted to put a slide in this lecture so that I could tell you how you have to. It's just close your copy. ओके आप अपनी कॉपी को बंद कीजिए, उसको बीच में से ओपन कीजिए. ओके, हाफ पोर्शन उसका बनाइए, हाफ में से ओपन कीजिए. द कॉपी यू आर हैविंग राइट नाउ इज योर, आई थिंक, आसिया, यू विल बी हैविंग योर लिटरेचर कॉपी. ठीक है, आपके पास अभी जो है आपने उसमें लिटरेचर का काम किया हुआ है. ठीक है, आपके पास जो भी कॉपी है. ओके, इफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग साइड, अगर आपने उसको लिटरेचर का वर्क है उसके अंदर, ठीक है, जो अनहैप्पी चाइल्डहुड का जो काम है, अगर वो आपने स्टार्ट किया हुआ है, तो आप अपनी कॉपी को सेंटर से ओपन कीजिए. ओके, बिल्कुल बीच का पोर्शन निकालिए, सेंटर से ओपन कीजिए. नाउ यू द कॉपी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पोर्शंस. ओके, एक पोर्शन आपके लेफ्ट साइड पर है, एक पोर्शन आपके राइट साइड पर है. लेफ्ट साइड पे जो पोर्शन है वो अगर आपकी लिटरेचर वर्क है, ठीक है, अनहैप्पी चाइल्डहुड वाला वर्क है, ठीक है, तो द नेक्स्ट पोर्शन ऑफ इट विल बी ऑफ लैंग्वेज. ठीक है, अगर तो वो लिटरेचर का पोर्शन है तो आपका जो नेक्स्ट पोर्शन हाफ में से बनाया है वहाँ पर एक पेज आप अपना फ्लिप कर दीजिए, फोल्ड कर दीजिए. ठीक है, वो जो आप ट्राइंगल की शेप में जो फोल्डिंग करते हैं उसको इस तरह फोल्ड कर दीजिए और वहाँ पर लिख लीजिए लैंग्वेज. ठीक है, तो आपका फर्स्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर जो पोर्शन है हाफ कॉपी का वो आपका लिटरेचर है, एंड द राइट वन साइड ऑफ द कॉपी का जो पोर्शन है इट इज़ योर लैंग्वेज पोर्शन. ठीक है, तो वॉट एवर इज द कॉपी यू आर हैविंग, आपकी एक ही कॉपी के अंदर लिटरेचर का भी वर्क है और लैंग्वेज का भी पोर्शन बना हुआ है. तो आपके पास अब जो भी असाइनमेंट आएगा, ओके, वॉट एवर इज द असाइनमेंट, आपने उस रिस्पेक्टिव पोर्शन के अंदर उसको कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, अगर आपके पास कॉपी 1 है, अगेन इन कॉपी 1 यू विल बी हैविंग लिटरेचर एंड लैंग्वेज पोर्शन बोथ. ओके, और जो लैंग्वेज कॉपी मेरे पास आई हैं आज सबमिशन के बाद, उनके स्टार्टिंग में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से आपने जो आपने काम स्टार्ट किया होगा वो लैंग्वेज का काम है, जैसे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है, टेंसेज हैं, वॉइसेस हैं, देन काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन है, वट एवर इज द वर्क ओवर देयर, ठीक है। उसको भी बीच से पोर्शन बनाइए एंड द सेकंड पोर्शन विल बी ऑफ लिटरेचर। तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का जो पोर्शन है इट विल बी ऑफ लैंग्वेज पोर्शन। अगर आपके पास लैंग्वेज का असाइनमेंट है तो जो भी कॉपी आपके पास है, वट एवर इज द कॉपी यू आर हैविंग, कॉपी 1 और कॉपी 2, लिटरेचर और लैंग्वेज कॉपी, वट एवर इज द कॉपी यू आर हैविंग, you have to do your literature or language work according to the portion you have made. Okay आसिया, अब समझ में आया आपके कि कैसे पोर्शन करना है? हाँ, दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग यू इन द क्लासरूम ऑल्सो, बट वहाँ शायद आपको समझ में नहीं आया था। जस्ट यू हैव टू मेक हाफ हाफ पोर्शन। अपनी कॉपी को हाफ में से खोलिए, ठीक है, हाफ में से ओपन कीजिए। कुछ कॉपीज को मैंने पेरेंट्स को बताने के वक्त जो है वो मैंने पोर्शन बनाकर भी दिए हैं आज, ठीक है, अपनी क्लास के 7B की, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 7B क्लास। तो मैंने कुछ को पोर्शंस बनाकर भी दिए हैं ताकि बच्चे कंफ्यूज ना हो। कुछ को मैंने पोर्शंस बनाकर दिए हैं। इफ़ यू आर हैविंग कॉन्टेक्ट्स विद ईच अदर तो आप किसी से अपनी वो पिक्चर्स को शेयर भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, जिनके मैंने पोर्शंस बना दिए हैं। तो जस्ट फ्लिप द पेज बिटवीन हाफ ऑफ द कॉपी, ओके, उसको आप फ्लिप कीजिए पेज को। और अगर लैंग्वेज का काम फर्स्ट पे है तो सेकंड पोर्शन आप लिटरेचर का बना लीजिए। फर्स्ट पे आपका लिटरेचर वर्क है, देन मेक language portion at the second side. Okay, so it will become in both the copies you will be having language and literature both work. Whatever is the assignment will be posted over there in the classroom. You have to attempt the assignment in its respective portion. ठीक है, ये आपका जो आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी वो मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दी है। अच्छा, नाउ कम टू द प्रेजेंटेशन क्वेश्चन। ओके, ये हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन क्वेश्चन है। नाउ आई एम आस्किंग यू टू राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन इन द चैट बॉक्स। आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में अपने आंसर्स दे दीजिए मुझे, ठीक है, आई विल चेक ओवर देयर। नाउ I will call the name of the students to give me the reply. Question number 1 का reply will be given by Mohammad Talha. Mohammad Talha, you will give me the reply of question number 1. Question number 2 का reply मुझे चाहिए मुर्तज़ा हैदर से, ठीक है। Then question number 3 का reply will be given by अबीर फातिमा, ठीक है, अबीर फातिमा। Question number 3, question number 1 मोहम्मद तलहा, question number 2 Murtaza Haider, question number 3 Abir Fatima. Okay, question number 4 will be replied by Anamta Rehan. Anamta Rehan, you will respond me for question number 4 and question number 5 will be respond by Haris Mehboob. ठीक है, हारिस महबूब एंड अनमता 5 and 4 respectively. हारिस महबूब आप मुझे देंगे 5 का रिप्लाई एंड अनमता will be giving me question number 4's reply. ठीक है, now give me a reply in the chat box. I am waiting for the responses. Muhammad Talha question number 1, Murtaza Haider question number 2, Abir Fatma question number 3, 4 4 कौन था? Anamta Rehan and 5 Haris Mehboob. I am waiting for the replies. We have only 6 minutes. Nobody is responding me. Itna time. Why you are taking so much time to write a single sentence? अच्छा, yes, nobody is responding me. क्या हो गया भाई? 3 students have already left. Why? I have already told you everybody that don't leave the meeting until or unless I am sitting over here. Until or unless I don't leave. Still, you people don't follow the rules. Yes. Abir Fatma, 3. Mr. Mikobar went to Plymouth after coming out of prison. Very good, Abir Fatma. Good. Murtaza Haider, was he had owed so much money? Yes, very good. He was liable of so much money. He has taken so much money from the people. Very good. Very nice. Murtaza and Abir Fatma, good. Yes, who else is giving me the response? Muhammad Talha, where are you? Haris Mehboob and Anamta Rehan. Nobody is responding. Acha, if you have any question, any problem, you can ask me. Okay, Anamta. If anybody has got any question, they can ask. Anamta, should I unmute you? Then you will reply me. मैं unmute कर दूं आपको. It will be easy. Yes, Anamta. Acha, okay, Anamta. Then respond me in the chat box. David decided to go to Canterbury, Dover. Canterbury nahi bete, Dover, to his aunt Miss Betsy Trotwood. Sharoz Arshad, why you give the reply? I didn't ask to you. मैंने तो नहीं पूछा था आपसे. I asked question number 4 with Anamta Rehan. मैंने तो अनमता से पूछा था. Where did David decide to go? I just wanted the place name. मुझे सिर्फ place का name चाहिए था. वो शहरोज अरशद ने बता दिया. मगर मैं इसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग करूंगी अब शहरोज की. I will not give them marks. Even I will deduct 1 mark. अगर वो excellent में जा रहे थे तो अब उनको मैं good कर दूंगी. I have already warned you that nobody will reply except those students whom I asked. Yes, Haris Mehboob is not responding me. चलें जी, okay, we are not having too much time. We have only 1 minute left. Acha, in the next class, we will inshallah start lesson number 4 with Miss Betsy Trotwood. You may read out the lesson before the lecture. आप घर से पढ़ के भी lecture attempt कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. If you have any query, any problem, you may ask in the classroom or here during the lecture also. Okay, sometimes it happens we don't have free time in the lecture. जैसे आज हमें 5 मिनट मिल गए ना, थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल गया हमें, 2-4 मिनट हमें एक्स्ट्रा मिल गए हैं. But every time it doesn't happen, especially language के lectures में we don't get enough time at the end. वो जल्दी 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 presentation question में आपसे पूछती हूँ and then we run out of time mostly. So you may ask in the classroom. Okay, inshallah we will meet in the next lecture on Wednesday. We will start lesson number 4 of this novel. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much. Bye.